Now let's move to a more advanced and powerful concept: fetching multiple records using the integration task approach in Deluge. Step 1. Understand the use case. This method is ideal when you want bulk data, paginated results, or system-level access via API. Step 2. Ask Gemini with context. Open Gemini AI and give it proper context. Prompt to Gemini. Write a Zoho Deluge script using integration task to fetch multiple records from the lead module. Step 3. Analyze the AI response. Gemini will generate code using module name. Step 4. Create a new function. In Zoho CRM, create a new function just like before. Name it something meaningful, like fetch_multiple_contacts. Step 5. Paste Gemini's code. Paste the entire code into the editor. Make sure the connection name mentioned exists in your Zoho setup. Step 6. Execute and validate. Click Execute. On the right panel, you'll see a list of records returned in JSON format. Step 7. Save for automation. Once verified, click Save or Save and Close. This function can now power reports, sync jobs, or integrations. Your idea deserves a clear path forward. Share your vision with us, and we'll create the next step workflow to help make it a reality. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.